Alright everybody, doing a quick little update here for you because I was planning on doing a video today, but kind of failed. I've run into some problems here with the Bronco, which I will probably go more in detail with on a bigger video, like on Sunday, probably when that one will come out. But just thought I'd do a little update video here for you. Got Buddy and Jesse both out here. Not much wind tonight, so I can actually, I think, record outside here if I don't walk too fast. Quick little update, Buddy. He's doing good. What are you doing there, bud? Buddy, what do you got? You're Buddy, you're eating a rock. That's not good for you. He's doing good. Jessie girl, she's been outside a heck of a lot more here lately. She wants to come out quite a bit and run around like usual. Burning a little garbage. All of her pups are doing really good. They're up in the house. Aren't they, Jessie girl? Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going to go disturb them right now. They're probably sleeping. But no, they're all doing good. But yeah, having a little bit of an issue. I don't even know where I'm going here. A little bit of an issue with the Bronco. I'm gonna try to get that figured out. We'll see. I should know. I'll know tomorrow. But anyway, if you haven't heard, going out to Central Oregon. Oh, here in the next, 2 weeks from the day after tomorrow. I'm gonna go out there and paint Kyle's truck out there with James and Kyle at Central Oregon Shenanigans. Gonna paint Kyle's truck. It's gonna be a pretty truck with brand new paint on it. It's gonna look sharp. So yeah, been working on the Bronco all day today. Not gonna go into what all went on, but I was getting a little fed up with it, so I decided to quit. Buddy, leave Mama Kitty alone. Anyway, yeah, if you don't know who I'm talking about, Central Oregon Shenanigans is their YouTube channel. I will link them down below in the description. And you need to go check them out because we are going to do quite a bit of recording while I'm out there. I get out there, let's see, on the 24th. That's a Saturday. And we've already got plans for later that day. Not going to be truck related, but I think you'll enjoy it. Going to be a pretty good video, I think. Yeah, Jessie needs to eat a little bit. She's getting pretty skinny. But no, we got a lot of stuff planned while I'm out there, so it's going to be a good time. A little interaction between the two channels. We kind of go back and forth anyway. I talk to those guys like every day, and we're going to have a good time. So make sure you subscribe to them as well. Turn on the notification bell for both of us, so you don't miss a video. Other than that, beautiful night tonight. Finally cooling off. It was pretty warm today. I think I lost about 5 pounds in just sweating this afternoon. And Jessie, she needs a doggy Xanax. She's pretty high strung. Anywho, that is what's going on tonight. Not a whole lot really, just a little frustration with the Bronco today, and thought I would put a video up for you guys. So there you go. Right, bud? Alrighty. Alright, guys. I think I'll have a video up Sunday, so see you then.